Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. I just saw the trailer of Bajrangi 2, the upcoming Kannada movie Bajrangi 2. Spectacular. What? How should I react? How should I review? Where to start? Where to end about this trailer? I definitely don't know. Shivanna, our Shivraj Kumar sir is looking spectacular on the screen and he is looking awesome like a superhero. And coming to the trailer, what a trailer, man. What idea to present the trailer in such a fascinating and magnanimous way. We call this as a spectacular and new ideology trailer. No dialogues, absolutely no dialogues. So what gave me goosebumps is the trailer, and what intrigued me and what questioned me is, can a trailer be so effective without a single dialogue being given? The entire premise, the entire story, and also the concept of the movie covered in different frames, coming one after the other, sata, sat, and with that powerful BGM and that music. Awesome trailer, fantastic, magnanimous, awesome, mind-blowing, heart-touching, what can I call, spectacular. Again, I am using the word spectacular again and again because it is really a visual treat and spectacle to watch this trailer. If the trailer of Bajrangi 2 is of such high magnanimous quality, what should be the movie? The movie will be ultimate. I feel it will be a big blockbuster, not only for A Harsha, not only for Shivanna, not only for Jayana combines and the entire team of Bajrangi 2, but it will be a moment of pride for Kannada film industry, Sandalwood film industry. Ultimate blockbuster, this one. Again, I got a question in my mind. Why Harsha sir? Why Shivanna sir? Why it is not a pan-India movie? Why only in Kannada? This movie has the script, this movie has the content, intent, everything. It is so rich and enormous that it was ably fit into the pan-India category, and this should have been a pan-India category. Probably it should have been released more than 5 languages, but why no pan-India movie for this? I can't understand absolutely. And why there are no promotions for this movie? Why you people are not promoting? Hardly 8 to 9 days left for the release of movie. October 29th 2021 is the release date of the movie, and there is no promotion for this movie. Of course, the trailer is mind-blowing and the trailer itself will promote the movie, no doubt about that. There is already word of mouth. I saw so many reviews about and also the reactions about the trailer. It is really spectacular, and the word of mouth is going on that it is a fabulous film to watch. And of course, and no stone should be left unturned by your side also. At least use these 8-9 days to make rich promotions of this particular movie. Let people come to the theaters, flock the theaters, and make this movie a blockbuster. Definitely it is a blockbuster on cards. How rich it is looking. Ultimate. The concept of the movie is again good versus bad, divine versus evil forces. We have a villain, maybe more than one villain, who is very much demonic in nature. He is having superpowers and supernatural powers also, what I can call it as, and people are waiting for a superhero, their savior, a superhero to come and save them from the clutches of the demonic villain. And who else other than Bajrangi 2, Shivanna playing Bajrangi 2, to come as a superhero, superhero, and save the people from the clutches of the demonic villain or the villains by fighting with them single-handedly, is our Shivraj Kumar sir, Shivanna sir. People are enslaved, people are prisoned, and there is a lot of activities and supernatural activities taking place. The demonic villain is performing some horrible rituals. He is also attracting many forces, and he is really powerful. He looks really powerful, his intense eyes, and our hero comes, and there will be no match, of course, in the movie with our hero Shivanna, and all the villains, the demons, the demonic villains, everybody will be crushed like anything by Bajrangi, our Shivanna. That is the enormous force of Bajrangi 2. The trailer, it looks really fabulous. I cannot stop by just praising. Where to praise, which frame to praise, I don't know. Such magnanimous is looking the trailer of Bajrangi 2. As I again said, only music, only BGM, absolutely no dialogues, and this makes it, I think I have not seen any trailer of any movie being presented without a single dialogue and making such an impact on the global audience. Hats off to you people, man. What an idea to prepare such a trailer, such an impactful trailer without a single dialogue. Oh my god, superb, fantastic, mind-blowing trailer, I should tell again and again. The trailer, what it starts with Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, and it never looks back. stunning as the music, as the BGM slowly rises up, and it goes to peak levels, and frame after frame after frame, the movie clips keep coming, and different frames, different shades of the movie are shown, and the entire concept of the movie is stitched with that powerful BGM and sound designing ultimate, and all these things bring spectacular magnanimity to the trailer of Bajrangi 2. And having mentioned that, one thing which I should have mentioned right at the beginning, that is the cinematography, direction of photography, ultimate man, ultimate, and also the lights and the color mixing is fabulous, is of different level. Bollywood, see this. Hollywood, see this. This is really magnanimous and awesome trailer, and also the movie will be much richer than what the trailer is. Swami J. Gowda is the director of photography of this particular movie. Sir, if this movie is a blockbuster, your contribution to the making of the movie is really big. And what stills, what photography, what cinematography, what color mixing, what shades, lighting, and look at that light which is coming from the sky, that particular scene, and also that thunderous, what we can call it as a tsunamic wave which is dipping down, melting down from the sky to the earth. What visual treat those pictures were. Ravi Santehaklu, I should mention, for the art design. What artistic is this movie? Every frame looks like a canvas on which beautiful painting is made. Ultimate artwork, sir. Hats off to you too. And the music is by our Arjun Janya, sir. Mind-blowing music. No words to describe Arjun Janya's music at all. His music is always awesome, and I've been a big fan of Arjun Janya, sir. He is a maestro. And coming to the sets look really rich and richer. What sets, ultimate, and look at the costumes, the costume designing, the movie having a retro look only because of the costumes and also the art designing. Fantastic. They are going to contribute for the success of the movie. And VFX, no words about VFX at all. Many movies are coming with poor VFXs, and Kannada movie, hats off. Sandalwood movie like Bajrangi 2 is working on VFX to that ultimate point, what we can call it as cloud number 9. So it is a glory moment for Kannada movie to see such magnanimous effort with VFX. Every frame looks stunning and mind-blowing. Cinematography, screenplay, graphics, animation, everything spot on. How did these people do that? Really commendable job by the entire team of Bajrangi 2, ably guided by A. Harsha, who is the director, the master of the ship, the captain of the ship of Bajrangi 2. And of course, it would not have been possible without the presence of the magnanimous character of our Shivana. Lighting, color grading, sound mixing, screenplay, and also the visuals, ivella mind-blowing, sir. International quality. What a movie you people have made. I can't just wait to watch this movie, man. As I already said, this looks like an out-and-out superhero movie. I think it also has some mythological aspects, some historical aspects. I also am seeing some supernatural and paranormal activities in the movie. Everything mix up. Mirch Masala, totally Mirch Masala entertainer Bajrangi 2 will be. I also guess that the story of Bajrangi 2 moves in and around in different frames and in different time periods. It also looks like a period drama. And I just loved the making of Bajrangi 2 there, where Shivana is being formed from the sand. Ultimate again, the VFX ultimate catchy. Everything, the mountains, the light gushing into the mountains, and that thunderous, again I'm mentioning this, that thunderous volcanic or tsunamic wave coming from the sky, the light rays coming from the sky deep into the earth, the sound of the elephant showering water on our superhero Shivana, the car with a bull head rushing into the scenario, and a lot of villains and a lot of people praying for Bajrangi to help them, and that evil villain. It also looks like a Guru Shishya Parampara is also there in the movie. I am doubtful. I don't know. I'm just imagining things. Okay, let's not imagine too many things, and let's wait for the movie to be screened on the big screens. And I just loved that Bajrangi pendant in Shivana's neck, and I think it will also be popular once the movie becomes a blockbuster. So there is Bhavna, there is Shruti Madam, and a very good able cast ensemble, I feel. And the emotions in the movie, I should speak, emotions are shown in the frames itself, though there is no single dialogue. Every expression on the main actor, that is Shivana's face maybe, or the supporting cast, or the villain, or the people in pain and agony seeking for the help from their superhero, or wanting some superhero to come and rescue them. Everybody's expression, they are speaking volumes through the eyes. And again, I want to tell, hats off, commendable job, because this is the first trailer, at least I am seeing, I don't remember, that it has been made without a single dialogue, and so impactful, only with the music, only with the visuals, only with cinematography, only with sound designs and the costume designs. only with the spectacular look of light mixing and also the color mixing of international standards, and a very rich cast ensemble, wonderful and mind-blowing VFX and BGM. All these things make the movie a treat to watch. Just one line before finishing off my reaction and review of Bajrangi 2 trailer. Shivana, he will make the difference in the movie. Look at his intense eyes. Look at his expressions. Look at the heroic entry that Shivana takes. Look at the way he rushes towards the villain in the cave. Look at the stills. Look at his persona. Look at his attitude. Look at his swag. Ultimate. This should be the greatest feather, one of the greatest feathers in Shivana's crown. I wish Bajrangi 2 is a super hit, and best wishes to the entire team of Bajrangi for giving us a treat in the trailer itself. And I think the movie will be much bigger, spectacular, and also it will be a treat to watch the entire movie on the big screen amidst the crowd. Of course, with all COVID precautions. So that's my reaction and review of Bajrangi 2. I can speak for the full day. I have been watching this trailer back to back again and again before coming up with this reaction. I actually did not know how to react and review this particular magnanimous trailer. I wish and hope this movie becomes a magnum opus and the biggest talk in the film industry, not only in Sandalwood, but in the entire country and also globally. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste. Bajrangi 2 ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಬಾಸ್, ಅದ್ಭುತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅತಿ 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 ಅತ್ಯದ್ಭುತ.